Today we are working on Jason's bedroom. Okay, so with all of the rooms that we have been doing, we've taken everything off of the walls. We have washed it all with TSP. Then I forgot to tell you, take off the fan. Yeah, do that one first, take off the fan. We, at some point, clean the windows. We tape the edges of everything so that we don't get paint on it. Then we paint. Then we rip out the carpet. Then we take all of the trim and nails and staples out of the floor. Then we clean the floor. Then we put the parts of the room back together, like the fan and the window coverings and things like that. So that's the process that we have been using. And it seems to be working pretty well. I just got this room all cleaned, so now we're ready for tape.
My biggest fear, Stella coming in here and rubbing herself all over the walls.
Oh,
She
yeah,
always
well,
does
we might
that.
close that door. Grab it.
Okay.
Wait, you're not gonna do the other side of this one?
Dining room table.
You also need to roll above.
Yeah. Christmas? Cool.
It's so weird. Baby, if you see your hair, take it off the wall.
Jason's got his stuff. Leaving his hairs in the bedroom. That's
Rich?
okay.
You can go ahead and start right there.
Okay.
Out in.
Everyone else is taller than me, just like me. Even more taller than me.
At least you have 1 year children to be taller than mom. But not for long.
Probably not.
No.
That's fine with me.
Mom, you Frank practically.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh yeah, I did.
Oh, Frank's get old. I still like her.
What happens when you get old?
You guys
Never
really
stop
aren't
growing.
old. Yeah, your ears never stop growing.
That's why dad's ears are like.
That's why old men always have giant ears.
Yeah, that's why. And then old ladies have really floppy low ears because of earrings.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Whenever you want to switch back, I'll do this corner.
good boy. So Rob's mom let us borrow this steamer, and we're gonna try to use it to get off all of these spots that we just scrubbed and scrubbed on in the other rooms. We'll see how it works after Robert gets done sweeping. All right, rock and roll. Anything happening? That big spot right there, that's the one I want to see. Yeah.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. That big spot still there. I'm also wondering if this would be good for like just getting it started, and then it'd be easier to come around with the hands. So I'm not really all that impressed with the shark. Went back to using rags and scrapers and brushes. Yeah, I think this has got to be cleaner than the shark. Okay guys, we are on our way to Goodwill now. We're gonna drop off some stuff, and then I need to get some curtains for Jason's old room. So that's what's happening now. Here we are again. So today it doesn't really matter what it looks like as long as it's kind of neutral, and I probably need about 4 panels. All right, I have found 4 long white, even lined panels, and they're 100% polyester, so they're gonna wash up easy. So here are the curtains that I got, and it looks like some of them are not the same length. I think I'm gonna end up taking off just one from each side because they just don't quite look right. Okay, that looks a little better. Not quite so big and heavy. So we are about ready to move out of this last bedroom. We had a meeting with a different realtor today and concluded that we would go with the first one. So that's good. We've got to start getting all the forms in that we need to fill out. But we are just rocking and rolling on this house. So we've got to paint, let's see, which rooms are left to paint? The dining room, the bathroom, the hallway, and the entry closet. So those are the rooms that we have left to paint. We might have to buy 1 more gallon of paint, I think. But hey, that's not bad. Whole house, 6 gallons. It's going well, and I'm just really glad that you guys are here with us, cheering us along. So thank you for your support. If you'd like to be on our mailing list, please write us, send us a card, drop us a line. We'd love to keep in touch with you.